How to undo Instagram not interested videos and posts. Hi guys, welcome to Create, Login and Delete, and let's jump right into the video. If you accidentally mark a post or video on Instagram as not interested, you can easily undo it by following these steps. But since I don't have any uninterested videos, let's do it first. So find a video or a post that you want to set as not interested. I'm gonna select this post and tap on three horizontal lines at the top right corner and simply tap on not interested. Now you can simply undo it by tapping on the undo button right here. So this is the first method. The second method is to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and next tap on three horizontal lines. And now from here select View Activity. Now from the View Activity page tap on Interactions and click on Not Interested. Now to undo not interested settings, simply tap on Select at the upper right and select these posts and tap on Remove button. Now the post or video will now appear back in your feed or Explore page. So that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.